Hi YouTube, it is me, it's after Christmas, Happy New Year, and we're now on the 3rd, I believe it is, of January, and I decided to do this video today because I got my Bonjour Jolie box. Now, as most people who've probably already seen unboxing videos are aware, it isn't what I expected. It's a lot smaller. I'm worried I've ordered the wrong thing. Let's get to unboxing and see what I got. So, nice and pretty, and a nice little thank you. Bonjour Jolie. Got a nice sticker on as well. That's cute. So, this, for anybody who doesn't know, is from Canada, from Pensacola, Florida. Sorry, not Canada. It's their version of the pink parcel. It's supposed to have feminine products in, but I think the reason why mine's smaller is because I ordered it without the feminine products, because I decided I wanted it as a treat, not because I wanted any feminine stuff in it. So that might be why it's a lot smaller. Okay, so first open the box, and I have an unusual little bag. Linen bag. Cool. Suppose that's for when you get the feminine products, you put them in there. Wow. This is quite big actually. I have a nice little bracelet actually. Open it. Oh. That's quite cool. It's quite cute. It's a nice. It's like metal with pink leather wrapped around it. That's quite cute. A nice bracelet there. Next we have another item of jewellery. You can see what else. I'm getting excited. In a little bag. This is a nice bracelet. It's like a fleur de lis, I think it's called. Oh, that's like a gold effect bracelet. Yeah. Oh, that's I didn't realise on this bracelet it's cancer research. That is sweet. That is really nice. I like that. I didn't realise that that bracelet was cancer research. Bag. I guess that this bag is actually, even though I don't think I ordered them, I think it's the feminine stuff. Let's see. Yes. In there, lots of feminine things, pads, panty liners, video cut out there. My computer decided to cut my video off as I was talking about this and imitating. So I'll start where I left off and cut it all together. Technology, stuff like that. Yes, I was just about to take this out. Cortex travel pack. That's what was in the green bag. I have actually ordered something I didn't realise. Not bad. So yes, that's pretty nice. Wow. Wow. That's just full of sweets. We've got little frutilla sweets. I'm going to empty these in here while I talk. Little tiny little sweets, I don't know what they are. Cocoa. Lemon? No idea. I'll try them there. There's loads of them. Then there is almond roca, butter crunch toffee, Get 2 of those. And whenever bars, oat chocolate chip coconut, wheat-free, gluten-free, non-dairy snack bar. Oh! Well, that'd be tasty. Chocolate is just the best thing to send. Surf sweets, fruity hearts. Oh, oh, another almond roker. So that's 3 of those. Some more chewy sweets. Bland maple delights. Oh, wow. Original instant drink mix spiced apple cider. That looks stunning. Just add water. Wow. And what's this? Dark chocolate sensation. Create the moment. Oh, hot chocolate. Oh wow. Hot chocolate. I'm a bit upset though, because normally in these you get like loads of tea. I don't get any tea. That's a bit sad. No tea. Last bag is the body care. So I have 2 little small bottles of citrus medley daily shampoo and conditioner. I've never tried that. Coca or Toucher body wash. A very mild cleansing gel that moisturizes the skin as it removes the residue of the day. I love mango and papaya perfumed exfoliating massage bar. I've never tried of these, I've heard good things. I will be interested in trying that and seeing what it's like. So, give that a go next time I need it in the bath of the shower. Dookie, what's this? I've got 2 of these, I've just dropped one on the floor. Portable, flushable, hypoallergenic wet wipe. No guessing what that's for. 2 of them. And last but not least, I'm liking this. Body heat. A heat pain relief patch. For those period pains. Quite good. I'm glad I only got one. I just tried to see what it was like. I wouldn't get it again. It's not that good. But everybody else I've seen on YouTube has been mild better. I would say they got loads of tea and things like that. But it's worth a try. I've got loads there. I mean, it's taken ages to get to me, but I don't think the price is worth it to get shipped from America. But I've tried it. I'm looking forward to the UK version. I think parcel coming. That is due any day now. So I will post a video of that when I get it. But to be quite honest, I'm not going to lie, the jewellery isn't very good quality. It is costume jewellery. I mean, that's brilliant because it's like cancer, breast cancer. But it's still cheap quality. And so is this, to be honest. And I don't even know how to open it. I don't even can open it, to be honest, to get it on. It's just a slide. But yes, it was a nice experiment. I enjoyed it. It was good. Can't wait till I get my gift boxes though. They're still the best one yet. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. It wasn't as exciting as I hoped it would be. Yeah. Hope you all had a really great Happy New Year, and I will see you again for my next tea with me and my further unboxings.